Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Are you looking to give your Shopify store a fresh look by changing the text color on any section? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through every step you need to make your website's text pop, whether you want a subtle tweak or a bold, attention-grabbing update. By the end, you'll not only know how to change text color on any section, but you'll also understand exactly how these settings work so you can adapt your store's style whenever you need. Let's jump straight in. First, start by heading over to your Shopify admin page. This is your store's headquarters, where all the editing magic happens. Once you're in, look down the left sidebar until you see Online Store. Go ahead and click it. This brings you into the area where you control the look and feel of your store. Next, click Customize. This button is your gateway to editing the actual appearance of your site. It might take a moment to load up, especially if your store is packed with images or products. Don't worry if there's a brief pause. Once you're in the Site Customizer, you'll see a live preview of your store along with various sections on the left. Find the section you want to update. Maybe it's your homepage banner or a featured collection. Whatever you want to change, just click on it so you can access its settings. On the right panel, look for an option called Color Scheme. Sometimes it's tucked away in a drop-down menu or collapsed settings. So if you don't see it right away, look closely or expand any hidden menus. Click on Color Scheme. Here, you'll see the colors currently available for text, backgrounds, buttons, and more. If you spot the color you want, just choose it. It's as simple as that. You'll see your changes instantly reflected in the preview, giving you a chance to make sure it's really what you want. This instant feedback is super useful for comparing different tones. Sometimes, a color looks different once it's actually on your website, so don't hesitate to test out a few. But what if the color you're envisioning isn't listed? No worries. Shopify makes it easy to customize further. Scroll below the theme settings and click to enter the broader theme settings area. On the left panel, there should be an option to Add Scheme. This lets you set up your own color palette, adding more choices for every part of your site, including text. Go ahead and create a new scheme. Pick the exact color you want for your text. You can either choose from the provided palette or type in a custom hex code if you have a specific shade in mind. It's worth taking a moment to match your brand colors here, so your store feels consistent throughout. Once you've got the scheme set with your preferred text color, hit Save and go back to editing sections. Now, when you select a section again, you'll see your newly created color scheme available at the right panel. Select it and watch as the text color updates, just like that. Take a look at the preview, double-check the contrast, and make sure your text stands out but isn't hard to read. Remember, if you change your mind, you can always tweak the colors or swap schemes until it looks just right, and that's all there is to it. Changing text color in Shopify is a powerful way to personalize your site and guide your customers' attention exactly where you want it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. It really helps me out. And drop any questions or experiences you have in the comments. And if you want more easy-to-follow Shopify tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.